Implementing Six Sigma is a critical endeavor for organizations aiming to enhance their operational efficiency and quality management. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology that seeks to eliminate defects and improve processes by focusing on customer satisfaction and continuous improvement. The deployment of Six Sigma requires a strategic approach that not only involves the adoption of various tools and techniques but also necessitates a cultural shift within the organization. Understanding the core principles of Six Sigma, the roles of key personnel, and the stages of implementation can significantly influence the success of this initiative. At the heart of Six Sigma is the DMAIC framework, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This structured approach provides a roadmap for problem solving and process improvement. The first phase, Define, involves identifying the problem or opportunity for improvement, defining project goals, and obtaining the necessary stakeholder buy-in. It is essential to clearly articulate the project's purpose and expected outcomes to ensure alignment among team members and management. In the measure phase, organizations gather data to establish a baseline for current performance. This step is crucial as it helps identify the extent of the problem and provides a reference point for future improvements. Data collection methods may include surveys, observations, and process mapping, among others. It is important to ensure that the data collected is accurate and relevant, as it will be used to inform subsequent analysis. Once data has been gathered, the analyze phase begins. During this phase, teams use statistical tools to identify the root causes of defects and variations in the process. Techniques such as Pareto analysis, fishbone diagrams, and hypothesis testing are commonly employed to dissect the data and uncover insights. The goal is to pinpoint the factors that contribute to the problem and determine the relationships between different variables. Following the analysis, the improve phase focuses on developing and implementing solutions to address the identified issues. This may involve redesigning processes, introducing new technologies, or training employees on best practices. The emphasis is on creating sustainable improvements that lead to measurable results. Pilot testing solutions before full-scale implementation can help mitigate risks and ensure that changes are effective. The final phase, control, is essential for maintaining the gains achieved through the improvement efforts. This involves establishing monitoring systems and controls to ensure that processes remain stable and that improvements are sustained over time. Regular reviews and audits can help identify any deviations from the desired performance levels, allowing organizations to take corrective action as needed. Successful deployment of Six Sigma also requires the active involvement of leadership. Leaders play a pivotal role in fostering a culture of quality and continuous improvement. They must demonstrate commitment to the initiative by providing the necessary resources, support, and training. Additionally, leaders should communicate the importance of Six Sigma to all employees, emphasizing how their participation contributes to the organization's success. Training is another critical component of Six Sigma implementation. Employees at all levels should receive training on Six Sigma principles, tools, and methodologies. This not only equips them with the skills needed to participate in improvement projects but also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. Organizations may choose to implement a certification program, such as Green Belt or Black Belt training, to develop internal expertise and leadership in Six Sigma. Moreover, creating cross-functional teams can enhance the effectiveness of Six Sigma initiatives. Diverse teams bring together individuals with different perspectives, skills, and experiences, which can lead to more innovative solutions. Collaboration across departments encourages knowledge sharing and helps break down silos that may hinder improvement efforts. It is important to foster an environment where team members feel empowered to share ideas and challenge the status quo. Another strategy for successful deployment is to align Six Sigma projects with the organization's strategic goals. By focusing on initiatives that directly support broader business objectives, organizations can ensure that their efforts are relevant and impactful. This alignment helps prioritize projects and allocate resources effectively, ultimately driving greater value for the organization. In addition to aligning projects with strategic goals, organizations should establish clear metrics to evaluate the success of their Six Sigma initiatives. Key performance indicators, KPIs, should be defined at the outset of each project, allowing teams to measure progress and outcomes. Regularly reviewing these metrics can help identify areas for further improvement and ensure that the organization remains on track to achieve its goals. Communication is paramount throughout the Six Sigma deployment process. Organizations should establish clear channels for sharing information, updates, and successes related to Six Sigma initiatives. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, can help build momentum and encourage continued engagement from employees. Transparency in communication fosters trust and reinforces the organization's commitment to quality improvement. Another important aspect of successful Six Sigma deployment is addressing resistance to change. Change can be met with skepticism and reluctance, particularly in organizations with established practices and norms. To overcome resistance, it is essential to involve employees early in the process and provide them with the necessary support and resources. Addressing concerns and demonstrating the benefits of Six Sigma can help alleviate fears and encourage buy-in. Furthermore, organizations should be prepared for setbacks and challenges during the implementation of Six Sigma. Not every project will yield the desired results, and it is important to view failures as learning opportunities. Conducting post-mortem analyses can help teams understand what went wrong and how to improve future efforts. This mindset of continuous learning and adaptation is fundamental to the Six Sigma philosophy. In conclusion, the successful deployment of Six Sigma requires a comprehensive and strategic approach that encompasses the DMAIC framework, active leadership involvement, robust training programs, cross-functional collaboration, alignment with organizational goals, clear metrics, effective communication, and the willingness to embrace change. By fostering a culture of quality and continuous improvement, organizations can leverage Six Sigma to drive operational excellence, enhance customer satisfaction, and achieve sustainable results. The journey of implementing Six Sigma is not without its challenges, but with the right strategies in place, organizations can realize the transformative potential of this powerful methodology.